Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Petrimo again with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to install the extension Kami and start using it as a student. So we're going to open up a Google Chrome window. It is an extension in Google Chrome, and all you're going to do is in the URL bar type the word extensions. This is going to pop up the Chrome Web Store. Once you open that Chrome Web Store, you should be taken directly to Kami, but you're not. You have to type it in one more time. Kami is the extension, and here it is, Kami for Google Chrome. So once you open that one up, you're going to install it. I have already installed it, so mine says remove, but this will say for you install on Chrome. So just go ahead and install that button, and it's going to put the Kami symbol right up here. Hope you can see my mouse wiggling. Right up here at the top right, under the minimize button. It'll be right under that minimize button. It's the blue K. And this will be the way that you can access Kami inside of Google Chrome. So I'm going to open up Kami. Now, there's going to be a lot of ways that you're going to receive a PDF file from your teachers. Many of them are going to send them in Chrome. And so you're going to open them up, not in Chrome, in Google Classroom. So you're going to open them up inside of Chrome, and it will give you the option to open with Kami. From the Kami side of things, if I wanted to fiddle with the PDF, I'm just going to open up Kami, and then I can get access right to my Google Drive. Now, when the pop-ups come, you have to allow Kami to have access to all your Google information. You have to log in with Google, and then you should be good to go. Now, from there, I can open up and access my Google Drive, and I can find my PDF that my last teacher shared with me. And I am going to open up one of these PDFs here. And on this one is the story of Arnulf of Metz. This is a historical story. So the directions are, this is a real story from Mr. Petrimo's ancestor, Arnulf of Metz. Use Kami to read aloud the two summaries, I have to fix that typo, and the two stories about Arnulf. So all you do to get the Kami to read it aloud is you highlight the words you want, and then you click on text to speech.
582 to 645 was a Frankish bishop.
I hope you can hear that.
Advisor to the Merovingian court of Austrasia.
And you can see the green area moving
later retired
along with the words that it's reading to you.
In French.
You can pause it here, stop, or play. You can also change the voice if you don't like that Microsoft voice. They have real voices.
Arnulf of Metz c. 582 to 645.
So you can change those and customize whichever language. It's just an accent. It's not really languages. It's just accented. But you can change it to whatever voice you like. You can also speed it up and slow it down here. So if it's a difficult text, you might want to slow it down to 0.9 or 0.8. It does make a difference.
Arnulf of Metz c.
It slows the pace down so you can listen and take your time. So that's the text-to-speech. You also have the dictionary tool, so you can highlight a word like retired and click on the dictionary, and it will pop up and give you the definition, the parts of speech, and you can do that on any of these words. The markup is nice because you can highlight, so I like to use that highlighter. So this is the time he was born and died. You can also change the color on the timeline, the highlighter, so you have a few choices here, and you can highlight whatever you like. You can make a comment on an item. So you can come up here and comment, and just like Google Classroom, you can make Google Documents, any kind of Google Documents, you can make a comment through Google. The nice thing about Kami is it's totally integrated with your Google and your Google account. So you do have text box, equation, drawing, shapes, erasers, add media. You can add your own pictures or add your signature. So I am going to open up a new document through my Google Drive again. So like I said, this is just a quick rundown of how to use it. This is not every everything. Let's open up this one. This map is nice and easy. This I can show you. Let it load a minute. All right, so I can zoom in and zoom out with the control mouse wheel, or right here is the zoom tool. So I can zoom in, and then I can put in a text box here. You have to double click it. It's a little wonky for the text boxes, but I can say Maine. And then once I get my text box done, I can use the drawing to pick a color and label or draw a line from Maine to the state of Maine. So you also have an eraser. You can erase that line. You can put in shapes. So if I wanted to put Maine inside of a circle and then use a pencil and draw a line labeling that state. Really quite easy. The equation is a little also tricky to get used to. So you'll have to decide and play with that. But it comes up in green text. So when you do all your different equations, that stuff will be there available for you. There's more to this. So this is just an introduction of how you would use this as a student. There's also ways you can edit PDFs and break them into pieces, but that'll be for a different tutorial. Also, finally, when you're all done with your PDF document, there's a couple ways to finish up here. You can save it as a file right here, and you've got a few different options. You can save it directly into your drive, or you can save now onto your computer. You can also download a hard copy of it. You can print it, or my favorite is you can use the sharing feature, and it goes straight through to your Google account, and it opens up the sharing permissions. So it automatically turns this link into a shareable link, but you'll want to make sure that that is changed to a viewer setting on the Google Sharings. So there's a few different ways. If it's in Classroom, you won't have to go through any of this. You just save it and exit out. Save now onto Kami, and then it will save into your Google Classroom, and you can turn it into your teacher. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time, and have fun using Kami. It's a lot of fun.